Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today I'm going to be doing Surah Alaq, ayah number 11 to 15. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayat number 11 is Ara'aita in kana alal huda, and its translation is, did you consider what if he was on the right way, meaning the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the way on which he is calling people. Have you ever considered that it might be the right way, and you're opposing it, is you being wrong about it? And then the next ayah is ayah number 12. أو أمر بالتقوى, and it means that and enjoins piety. It's the same about the previous ayah, that have you ever considered that whatever he's telling you, it might be the right thing to follow. And then the next ayah is Ara'aita in kazzaba wa tawalla. It means that did you consider what if he gives a lie to the truth and turns away from it? Meaning Abu Jahl says that the Quran is a lie and disregards it. So compared to the Prophet ﷺ, Abu Jahl, he's a liar, and he considers the Quran to be not a divine revelation, and he turns away from it. So did you consider that what if he is wrong, even though he's the leader and whatever not? But have you considered that he might be the on the wrong side this time? And then the next ayah is ayah number 14. Alam ya'lam bi anna Allah yara. It means that did he not know that Allah sees everything? So whenever he's doing stopping the Prophet from praying or doing all those obnoxious things that he was doing, did he not consider that Allah is actually watching him do everything, and he can punish him whenever Allah wants? And then the last the ayah, which is ayah number 15 for today, is Kalla la illam yantahi lanasfa'am bin nasiya. And it means that no, indeed, if he does not desist, then we shall drag him by the forelock. And this is basically a warning to Abu Jahl that if he does not stop doing whatever he's doing, then he is going to be dragged by his forelock in hell. So these were the ayahs for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll complete the surah. Fi amanallah.